Super sulit dahil hindi lang malaki ang serving, masarap pa. Hi guys! Sikat na sikat itong TFF or Tarsier Fried Food. The #1 iron plate fried rice. Akala ko dati sa BGC lang yung branch nila. Meron din pala dito sa level 3 ng Farmers Plaza Cubao. Ang daming options sa mga fried rice and meron din pang ulam. Kung mapapansin nyo, very affordable yung food nila. Ito yung soup and drink station nila. Only soup and yung refillable blizzard blend nila, 45 pesos lang. Ito yung parati ko nakikita sa feed ko, one of their best sellers, the Flaming Beef Fried Rice. Amazing panoorin yung chef kung paano ginagawa yung fried rice. Tino-torch pa ni chef yung beef. Amazing, the quality and affordability. Sobrang winner, di ba? Gusto ko yung style na ganito, yung self-service. Dito na yung utensils and condiment section. Japanese mayo, soy sauce, chili, and chili oil. Importante to, especially pag mga fried food. Talk to the manager and sabi niya, ang panlaban daw talaga nila is this seafood supreme fried rice. Pati na yang chow fried rice, kaya ito yung in-order namin. Tingnan nyo, ang laki ng serving, no? Good for sharing to. Pero sabi nga nung manager, pagkaing atleta, kaya nyong ubusin to. Ito yung mga in-order namin, the seafood supreme fried rice, chicken popcorn, snowflake chicken popcorn, TFF Original Fried Chicken, New Orleans Fried Chicken, and syempre, Yang Chow Fried Rice. Gusto ko tong calamansi blizzard nila. 45 lang to and only na. Also have iced tea blizzard, tamang-tama kasi ang init sa labas that time. Ang dami naming in-order. Gutom yarn, hindi kasi kami nag-breakfast. Kung gusto nyo ng sobrang malasang fried rice, yung tipong ito lang fried rice na to, solve ka na, I highly recommend the Seafood Supreme Fried Rice. Seafood girly kasi ako, kaya sobrang na-enjoy ko to. Actually, hindi ko naubos to, man nauwi pa akong konti. Ito yung mas nagustuhan ng kids ko compared to the Yang Chow Fried Rice. This is your typical chicken popcorn na cute, crunchy, at mas masarap siya papakin together with the Japanese mayo. Siyempre, tinikman ko rin yung rice ni hubby na Yang Chow Fried Rice. Okay din siya. Ito yung tipo ng rice na bagay sa lahat ng fried food. As bet ko naman itong snowflake chicken popcorn. Pero kasi siyang sesame seeds dun sa breading and it made it crunchier. Super bet ko rin itong TFF Original Fried Chicken. Crunchy kasi and sobrang malasa hanggang laman. Appreciate ko rin na meron silang free on the soup. Okay siya, bagay siya dun sa fried rice. If you like the saucy type fried chicken, okay din tong New Orleans for me. Savory and slightly sweet lang siya, kaya bet ko. Sulit to, kaya if you're in Cubao area, look for TFF.